Welcome back at 6:45. We're already tracking some heavy rain showers across the area from the North Shore into Mississippi. Also a pretty good batch back down off the Gulf here, but not doing too much in the city of New Orleans right now. We do have a decent shot of rain today, but all eyes are going to be on this Gulf feature. We're calling it Invest 90. The hurricane hunters are actually going to go fly out there and check it out later today. And the Hurricane Center just dropped their latest 7 a.m. outlook, and they're keeping the percentage of development at 60%, but still at least a chance that a tropical storm forms here later tonight into tomorrow and then moves up towards the Louisiana coast on Thursday. Even though we expect if a low does form, it's going to move to the west of us, we're going to be on the east side of this lopsided system, which puts us right under the threat for some very, very heavy rainfall. I want to show you a high resolution model, and I don't show you models unless I actually think they're latching onto something. And I do think this high resolution model is picking up on how this could evolve. So for today, not really associated with the disturbance, but we've got tropical moisture and downpours around. A flood watch is in effect today. For tomorrow, notice there's the low pressure spinning up south of Houston. See how lopsided it is? The low is here, all the rain's on the east side, and then that continues to spread up towards Louisiana. Now, depending on exactly how this evolves, that heavy rain threat is going to exist in central and maybe even into southeast Louisiana Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night and early Thursday. This would honestly be worst case scenario. If that low pressure is in that right spot and all that rain's moving over us, we could see some very, very heavy tropical rain bands set up near the metro area Wednesday night into Thursday and continue into Thursday morning. So how much rain would that type of setup produce? It would produce a lot of rain. And what you're seeing here in the black is where my model is maxed out. Basically, anywhere in black is 10 to 15 inches of rain there. Anywhere in white down into the pink colors are going to be anywhere from 4 to 10 inches of rain. So you can see there, this could produce some fairly substantial rainfall totals over southeast Louisiana that could lead to some flooding. Now, this is one model run. I can guarantee you the next update, this is going to shift around. But I do think anywhere from Lafayette to Baton Rouge to New Orleans to South Mississippi, there's a potential for one of these rain bands to set up and dump that foot of rainfall, or 10 to 15 inches. So again, from Lafayette to Baton Rouge to New Orleans, we're all going to watch this very closely. At the end of the day, heavy rain is the main threat. But if we do have a tropical storm, even if it's going to be weak, it's going to be windy, we're going to have some minor coastal flooding. We may also have an isolated tornado. So we'll be monitoring this, especially Wednesday night into Thursday. So if the winds do start to pick up, they're going to be strongest later Wednesday night. I think we could have some wind gusts over 40 miles an hour in coastal areas. This would obviously lead to some storm surge, at least minor storm surge and coastal flooding, but do expect it to be windy later Wednesday into parts of Thursday as that low passes by. So regardless of a name or not, this is going to be a big rainmaker. Anywhere from Lafayette to New Orleans, I think is going to be the bullseye for the heaviest of the rain. Not everyone sees 10 to 15 inches, but there are likely going to be a few spots that do. That's why we've got to take this one seriously and really keep an eye on it closely. This will all clear out by Friday, and then by Saturday and Sunday, we're back to more of our normal summery weather. Our marine forecast, no major winds today, but come tomorrow, it starts to get choppy out in the Gulf. And then by Thursday, we very well could have tropical storm conditions moving through.